How to fix Spotify something went problem on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Spotify something went wrong on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to ensure that you have the stable internet connection on your iPhone. So for that you'll have to just open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so from the settings section you can easily go with the options Wi-Fi or cellular data. So from there you can easily confirm the stable network on your iPhone or not. So after you confirm it, you'll have to just back from here, and from the settings section you'll have to go to the option general. Okay, so from the general section you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go to the options like transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, so from here tap on reset, and now from here tap on reset network setting. Alright, so from here you'll have to verify with your iPhone passcode. So after you verify, you'll be able to reset all of the network setting on your iPhone. So after you done it, you'll have to just back from there, and from the general section again you'll have to go to the option iPhone storage. Okay, so from the iPhone storage section you'll have to scroll down and find the application Spotify. So you have to find that application. Alright, so after you find it, you'll have to just open that. Alright, so from here tap on upload app, Alright, so again after you download, you'll have to just tap on the option reinstall app. Alright, so after you done all of the procedure, from here you'll be able to easily fix that problem. So from there you'll have to just again open the Spotify, and from there you'll have to just log in with your Gmail or Google ID. So from there you can easily fix that problem. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.